optical art.
Okay guys, so I'm going to give you a key support and resistance levels to pay attention to for Bitcoin. We're going to recap a few things. Also, I picked the exchange that I'm going to use to start using leverage, and I'm going to show you that as well. And that will be the exchange that I'm going to create some custom charts for. Up to you if you want to use that or not. That is what I'll be using. I'll show you why that's the case. So right off the bat, I'm going to tell you this. So I did tell people to short on Twitter around 43,500. We got above that point. We're pushing up now. And you can see right here, this red line, this is interesting because it's happening as I'm recording this. This red line right here at 44,500, that is where we put in our high previously on the 13th of January. So if we get above that, guys, I mean, that is bullish because we're putting in a new high. As long as we're below that point, we do not go higher than that, then hey, this could turn around and come back down. So yeah, we are on the cusp of possibly turning bullish. If we get above that point, you put in a new high, typically traders are going to get bullish. That is a bullish sign, and we're testing that now. So I'm going to come back to this chart. So let's recap, guys. So I told you about this red line. If you want to watch this video, I'll put a link up to it now. I told you about this red line way before we got to it. I said it was our next target. If we get above this point, your next upside targets are around 43,300 to 44,400. So do watch this video. Let's go on. So guys, and this is what I was talking about. We kept finding resistance. This is a C1 chart. We kept getting rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Got to push above it. Finally, we broke above it. I told you in that previous video, if we get above this red line, expect us to push up to at least 43,300, and I gave you some higher upside targets. So you knew exactly what to pay attention to. So on Twitter, guys, I keep you updated. This is 20 hours ago. I said next candle opens in 36 minutes. Let's see if we close above or below. If we get a close above, then it's possibly be headed to the upside target I gave in today's video, which was around, I think I said 43,400, around that area. And you can see what happened. We got a close above. We started pumping. So again, this line was here way before price got to it. I told you what to pay attention to. If we got a candle open above, then expect us to push up. That is what happened. And then I gave you a perfect point to short on the H1 chart right here. So look, we're at 42,683. That is where you put in your short. That is this chart right here. So you can see what happened. We got topped out on the H1 chart right here at 42,700. We dropped. We came down a total of 2.34%. And guess where that support was? That's right here on the C1 chart. So when you should have shorted on the H1 chart and bought back in when you make contact. Look, previous resistance, right? Will flip as support. So your buy-in was right here at 41,634. We pushed up. Notice we got perfect rejection right here at this fib channel line, 44,200, which is on par with this target I gave you here at 43,900 on this blue ring. This is the same video. This blue ring on the H1 chart said if we get above 42,653, that is where we got rejected, and then we pushed back up. I said your next point to get rejected is 43,715, and right now we're getting rejected at that point. Do we go higher? Do we go lower? We'll have to see. But currently, you can see right now we are above this point. I mentioned this ring has been a lot of resistance and a lot of support. So again, it is possible. This is on the daily right here. So we'll have to see what happens when this candle closes. If it closes above this point, that is going to be bullish because that means we're probably going to put in a new high. Again, a new high would be bullish. But if this candle closes below this point, which is very possible, then this could come crashing back down. But again, you play one support and resistance level at a time. All I can do, guys, is show you key points to potentially long and short. I knew that if we got above this red line, it was such strong resistance. Once we got above it, we could expect a pump. I said that in the last video. That is what happened. I gave you a point to short right here. You know, if you would have shorted that, you were in profit in your short. And had you longed, when we came back down to 41,623, you were in profit. Had you shorted this point right here, you're in profit from your short. So again, I can just show you safer points to enter longs and shorts. I cannot guarantee that they will hold. So again, just making you aware. I'll come back and give you key support and resistance levels to pay attention to. Let's move on. So again, if we stay below this point, this was a point I gave you. I can pull this out. And actually, there's a lot of confluence. This is a rising wedge right here. So that would be the top of that wedge, which just coincidentally happens to be at this ring. So from this point, we could come down to potentially 42,893. If that holds, it will push back up. If that breaks, well, you know that we'll hold support whenever you make contact with this point here. But if we break this rising wedge, well, then we're coming down much lower. But again, guys, as I say, always follow the markets. There's so much volatility in the markets right now, it's ridiculous. The Dow Jones was up like 150 points. Now it's down, negative 11. So do follow the markets. So guys, the exchange that I chose, and I'm going to be completely upfront with you guys. I chose BitGet, and the reason I chose BitGet is because there's no KYC up to 20 BTC, and there's no VPN for U.S. clients, and they're registered with the U.S. So I don't have to use some friggin' VPN to use some place in another country and have to worry about getting my crypto taken away because I'm accessing their exchange illegally. You can long and you can short, and again, no KYC is nice as well. And this is what the guy sent me, and look, I'm completely transparent. I have an agreement with them. I'm going to share that with you as well. So liquidity, top 5 in derivatives trading volume, and top 15 spot trading volume. This is what he told me to share. Low fees, 0.2% maker, 0.6 taker. Most other exchanges have taker over 0.7. Can also use native BGB token to reduce fees by 20%. Safe and secure, licensed in the U.S. That's important for me. I'm in the U.S. High security ranking in the industry. No downtime overloads or scam wicks. We'll have to see about that. Let's see, copy trading. Again, the main thing for me was KYC, and because no VPN, and I can use it in the U.S. So again, that's why I chose it, and this is our agreement. So guys, I'm going to be transparent. I am not going to be BitGet's bitch. So the deal was, so I obviously I had to pick an exchange, and why not do this? So all I have to do is make a video about this, a tutorial using their exchange. I've never used it, so I need to learn how to use it. Remember, I only spot trade, so this is the first time I'll ever be doing leverage trading. So I need to learn how to use their program. I'll show you in just a sec. So they've already deposited $4,000 into my account, and I could have just had them pay me, but I said, no, put the money into the account I create on BitGet. I'm going to use that money to trade, to try to teach you how to trade safer. And again, there are ways to trade without getting wrecked. That is my goal. That is the reason I'm doing this in the first place. But in order for me to be in agreement here, I have to make a video that's about 8 to 12 minutes long. And once I do that, they'll deposit another $4,000. So I have $8,000 to trade with on their platform. And then the other thing I have to do, it says post a video on YouTube with a referral link video for description for 30 days, and post an affiliate link, which I do have. You're welcome to use that affiliate link. I will have it in the description, and I'll have it pinned in the first comment. But you do not have to use my affiliate link, guys. You can just go directly to BitGet if you want, and you can create your own account. If you choose to use my affiliate link, that's completely up to you. And this is their platform, BitGet, and you can see right now they deposited $4,000 into my account. And as soon as I make that tutorial video, which again, I need to learn how to use this damn thing, then they'll deposit another $4,000. So hey, it's free money to trade with and teach you guys and learn at the same time. They do have spot trading. This just showing you this. Again, I'm gonna have to learn it. Just again, this is the first time I'm loading this up. So you can buy BTC. They have Ethereum, BCH, BGB, Matic. They have a bunch of coins that you can. I've got a shitload in here. And then they have futures. So this is where I'm going to be delving into and trying to learn how to do this. And they've got, I guess it shows you what to do and how to do it. I'm going to have to read all this and figure it out. But this is where you can use leverage to long and short. Again, when I learn this, I'll make a tutorial video about it. But the great thing is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create custom charts for this exchange. So if you guys sign up for BitGet, what I'll do is, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a chart for BTC USD, maybe USDT, we'll have to see. That way we'll have, and when I create this chart, I'll have this chart available on the website. So you can load up this chart, it will be charted on BitGet, and we'll be using the same charts. So when I'm trading using leverage, you'll have access to the actual chart, and you'll have the exact prices I have. And they also have Ethereum. So I think the first two I'm going to create is probably Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then we can trade those. I might do a live stream. I'm debating that. I will create a channel in Discord called BitGet, and then I'll make posts, update you there, where I'm long and shorting, and I'll share my trades. I don't mind doing that, but I will make some custom charts for Ethereum and Bitcoin, maybe ADA. We'll have to go through and see, but definitely Ethereum is one of the first ones I'm going to trade. But so that's the plan, guys. Again, like I said, if you use BitGet and you have any issues, I mean, I'll hold them to the fire. If they say no scam wicks, if you see scam wicks, or if you do a long or a short, or your stop doesn't trigger, let me know, guys. I'll make a video about it. If these people are legit, then they're legit. Again, the reason I'm using it is because I'm in the US and I don't use VPN. So expect to have at least, the very least, a new Bitcoin chart and a new Ethereum chart. It'll be on the 15 and the 30 minute, and then we can swing trade the hell out of it. So guys, again, follow the markets. So you can see right now the markets are coming down. 28, negative 28, guys. Follow the Dow Jones, follow the NASDAQ and the S&P. You can see markets are coming down. If the markets are coming down, Bitcoin's going to come down as well. I still believe this is a short squeeze. We'll find out, guys. I said to short this point right here. I believe this daily candle could close below this point. We're already dropping now. And I also mentioned this blue ring as a target in this video right here, 42,700. And look what's happening, guys. We're coming down. Your next support is right here, 42,759. Your next support down below is 40,841. And wherever you make contact with this point might be a point too long. So let me go through these charts and give you support and resistance levels. So guys, on the G1 chart, if we come down, your next support to watch to catch a bounce. This has been very strong resistance. This is the same lines on the C1 chart. Very strong resistance, right? We pushed above it. So that will be strong support. And that's right here at 38,998. If we stay below 43,446, we have yet to put in a new high. That means we are still in a downtrend. If we get above this point right here, 44,458 around there, then it's possible we'll put in a new high. If that's the case, guys, that is going to be bullish. You know, if it gets bullish, it flips bullish. But we have not put in a new high yet, guys. Remember that. We have to get above this point before we put in a new high. On this chart, so look, we got rejected in right here at 44,200. Your support right now is right here at 43,197, and then this is that red line right here, resistance, resistance, resistance. I said if we push above, expect a pump. That's what happened. I gave you upside targets. Again, not every single target is going to hold, but chances are one of them will. So if you get into a short and it ends up pushing above, get out of your damn short and then short the next point, like right here at 44,200. But again, if we come down, 41,348 is going to be very strong support. Right here, so again, this is the H1 chart. We topped out at this blue ring I mentioned in the previous video. Again, I give you targets to watch. Had you shorted this point, you were in profit. Had you bought back when we hit support right here, guys, that was a point too long. Strong resistance will flip as strong support. So I just try to help you know where to get in and out, but expect a custom chart for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'll decide if I want to do a live stream. The only thing with the live stream, there's a delay, but it would be kind of fun to do that, do live trades while I'm doing a live stream. But I definitely will keep everyone updated in Twitter and in Discord. Again, guys, if you do want to access these charts, the website's opticalcrypto.com. I have stocks, tutorials teaching this method of charting, and I have Bitcoin, and for $49 a month, you get access to Bitcoin's altcoins, precious metals, Discord, and Twitter. So again, if you decide you want to sign up for BitGet, guys, that is what I'm going to be using to create the charts. So obviously, if you have BitGet, that's going to be better for you because those will be the price targets we'll be longing and shorting. And expect a video soon. Part of our little deal is I have to create a tutorial how to use this, and I still have to learn how to use this damn thing. Also, guys, follow the DXY. DXY is holding support now. The DXY is down a lot. That's part of the reason Bitcoin is up. Remember, if the DXY pushes up, that will be bearish for Bitcoin. If the dollar starts tanking, guys, that is bullish for Bitcoin. All right, that's it to the next video, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.